7 Steps to Make Someone Like You Over Text. Welcome to Lifestyle Therapy Channel. Stay tuned. Number 1. Greet the person respectfully. Everyone loves the phrase, "What's up?" but honestly, it's gotta go. Because those of you who use it, what's the answer you always get? Nothing much. You? So think outside of the box, and try something more along the lines of "What are you up to? What you're doing?" Something playful that will catch their attention. They may answer something like, "Hanging out," which is perfectly okay, because at least you know that they're hanging out, and not dying in the void of not much. Number 2, be patient for a response. Don't text him or her 3 times in a row. If they doesn't respond in time for the first one, they may be actively busy with something important, and simply can't respond to you right away. They may also be not that into responding at all. However, if you're impatient, you may come across as clingy, which is a big no-no, if you're trying to find ways to make someone want you over text. Number 3, guess their answers. Another way to have fun and keep your texts interesting, is to guess how they might answer. This is a great way to spice up your texts, separate yourself from others, and ultimately get them interested in you. For example, your text could read, "What are you up to this weekend?" Let me guess, taking a speed knitting class so you can make me a scarf. You are so sweet. Number 4, avoid text fighting. Now I know that text fighting isn't something that you'd intentionally actually do, but it happens way too often in relationships. Couples will actually fight over the text message. In order to reach reconciliation to solve the fight, you can't do it over text. You actually need to get on the phone and talk. Number 5, add value to his life. In other words, avoid being a vamp. A vamp is someone who sucks the energy right out of you. If he or she texts you saying, "Hey, how are you doing?" do not text them back and say, "I'm so bored. What are you doing?" That's like, people who do that are looking for someone else to entertain them. They're looking for someone else to add value to their life. It's like, "Hey, let me plug into your life, and suck the life right out of you." These people become a drain, and they are no fun to be around. Instead, you want to be the person who adds value, light, love, and laughter to his or her life. So if they send you a text saying, "What are you doing?" even if you are bored at work, send them a funny picture back that says, "I am kind of feeling like this." Number 6, tease them. Don't be afraid to poke fun at someone you're texting in a playful, good-natured way. Not only does teasing someone make them laugh, but it shows that you're not just to suck up. Teasing alone can show that you have confidence, and this will help build attraction. Here's an example of a fun text to send someone that reflects this confident, playful teasing. "You're a closet dork, aren't you? Except without the closet." Number 7, try to be the first one to say goodbye. It leaves the other person possibly wanting more. Try to recognize when the conversations are slowing down, so that you can be the first one to cut it off. They will love you for this eventually, because bad, lazy conversations usually end in bored pauses and no actual interesting points.